Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for viewing, I appreciate it. Here today, what I'm going to go over is routine maintenance on a central boiler 550 Classic Edge. Now, this furnace is a high efficiency furnace, so it's not like your old school throw everything in wood burner. This unit has to burn seasoned wood. So I spend time and split it up smaller. So I make sure I season my wood at least 1 year. So I'm already working on next year's firewood. But for this year, lots left, so I'll be able to use that leftover wood to start the season and then start working in my new firewood. Little things I like to do every 2 weeks to 3 weeks, depending on how much wood I burn is. There's a ton of ash that falls down in the reaction chamber. Okay, there is ash in the furnace itself. So what I'll do is I'll take my poker and kind of drag through the coals and get everything broken up. In the back of this unit, there's no access chamber, so I have to go through the flue and take a little metal rod and shake the chains, and the chains dangle down through the heat exchanger. If you've seen my previous videos, I had big troubles where this plugged up in mid-January and it was negative 15 degrees wind chill, and I was out here cleaning this and it was just the wrong time to do it. So I just need to do a better job of maintaining this throughout the year, and after every burn season I need to give it a thorough cleaning. So stay tuned and I'll take you along for the ride. Get, boy, get. Get. So that's the inside of the reaction chamber of a central boiler Classic Edge 550. I just cleaned it out. I shook my chains, cleaned out the back heat exchangers, so we should be good for the next few weeks. So that's what the firebox looks like after a full night's burn, where you're burning all your wood. This is kind of what you want to see. So what I'll do is I'll scrape this out, shake up the coals a little bit, and then reload. That's pretty good. That's what I want to see. Try to throw some Astral in there every once in a while. So I like to do a third of a lid, or just a couple teaspoons.